Hello friends, I'm going to discuss about adoption of emerging technologies to achieve Pharma 4. There are many new technologies that are coming up, and each technology has got its own strengths and they can contribute it in achieving Pharma 4. In Pharma 4, what really we are expecting is a complete end-to-end seamless integration of the data from customers to supplier, which also includes manufacturing operations along with the contract manufacturing. These various technologies are shown over here in the circular diagram, which starts with, of course, social media, which is becoming very powerful in last 10 years. You are all aware about LinkedIn and Facebook and many other things. The next one is blockchain technology. Blockchain is very important for the pharma because pharma wants the batch to be controlled. You must have that visibility and traceability of the batch movement. And blockchain is an authentic tool to capture real-time data and trace the batch. This is getting supported by digitization. As you know, we are moving towards a digital transformation about the supply chain. This digitization is capturing the data and integrating, which will give the product traceability, inventory visibility, and this is a key component about supporting Pharma 4. All this data is now getting stored and shared with the cloud. This data from the all stakeholders, all areas of operation is captured and is migrated to the cloud. It's stored, it's compiled, it's analyzed, and it is shared across the organization for a better decision making. Now this data can also be captured in a real time with Internet of Things or Industrial Internet of Things, which can really optimize both either in the manufacturing or the distribution. And this real-time data along with the analytics can help you in a better decision making. Pharma has got a very specific regulatory requirements, whether it's in procurement or quality or manufacturing or distribution practices or even maintenance. This is very important. And this data capture is again in a real-time basis and helping in a decision making can be done both by Internet of Things or by using the cloud system. Robotics is also a new area. There are a lot of repetitive applications, either in the packaging or warehouse movements or even in the transportation. This is where robots can play an important role. And it brings better accuracy, better visibility, and again, the real-time 100% perfect data capture. Another area is cybersecurity. The data captured in a pharma is a very important thing, and this requires nobody should really tamper all the data. It's a very sensitive, confidential data, and very important from the regulatory point of view. So cybersecurity plays an important role, and there are new areas, new technologies are now available, which are going to play a role into Pharma 4. Big data and decision making, as we discussed it out The cloud will have a lot of data, but that data requires to be analyzed for a decision making, which is a very important area. And tools like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning are getting available over here. In a present market, as the demand and supply are varying, and there are a lot of uncertainties into the market and fluctuations are there. And in the pandemic situation, everyone has seen about the uncertainties into supply chain. In such situation, analyzing the demand and the supply is very important thing, so that you don't have to really block the money into the inventories. And this is an important emerging technology which is also going to play a crucial role into pharma form. Mobiles are becoming very powerful, and it's going to give you all the necessary required data as and when required, as and what place you are going to be working. So across the complete digital supply chain, mobile will give you the visibility and can help you to take the necessary decision. So this is what we are planning. If you like it, please subscribe it. If you like it, please share with your contacts. Thank you. Bye.